Transurfer, and welcome to TransurfingTV. I am Renee Garcia, and this is one of our 78 days of practical transurfing. Today, day 36, stopping the fight. This is kind of like where transurfing ultimately will lead us if we can follow these concepts. There's no more fight. There is only being one with your world and not really participating in the everyday stressors of life in the same way that we're sort of programmed to as individuals prior to finding reality transurfing. But before I get started, remember to like this video and comment in the comment section below, I love reality transurfing, if you would like to win some of these. All right, so I will get right into it. Day 36, stopping the fight. The world is a mirror that reflects your relationship to it. When you are unhappy with the world, it turns away from you. When you battle with the world, it battles with you too. When you stop battling, the world meets you halfway. Isn't that the truth? You simply give yourself permission to have what you envision. Outer intention will find a way of giving it to you. Then one fine day, something will happen that others will call a miracle. Are you desperate to achieve your goal? If so, stop wanting and receive it anyway. Just think about taking what is yours and taking it quietly without insisting or making demands in the manner of, so I want this, so what? I shall have it. Pendulums impose a totally different kind of script. They force you to fight to achieve your goal, as if the only means of reaching your goal is to declare war on yourself and the rest of the world. They constantly bombard you with the idea that because you are less than perfect, you will never achieve your goal unless you change who you really are. Once you have changed yourself, then you have to join the battle for your place under the sun. This script pursues only one goal: to drain your energy and drive you into a cell in the matrix. By fighting with yourself, you give away your energy to the matrix. By battling with the world, you do exactly the same thing. No one can force you to fight, but you will not have any other option if you are filled with inner and outer importance. If you don't feel able to give yourself permission to take and have right now, you can put it off until later. However, putting it off until later leaves you feeling that every moment of your life is just the preparation for some better future. People are always dissatisfied with the present and console themselves with the hope that improvements are on the way. With this kind of attitude, the future will never come. It will always be hovering somewhere just ahead of you, like trying to catch up with the setting sun. Give yourself permission to have right here and right now. Okay, so this is really where sort of drawing a line in the sand with yourself and your reality and putting it into setting an intention to start today, to start going your own way, to turn away from the pendulums. Remember, pendulums want to keep us dialed in. This is their bread and butter, so to speak, to keep the energy flowing in. And whatever a pendulum can do to keep you hooked in a way where you are constantly chasing after that dangling carrot, this is really how pendulums survive is people striving, people using inner intention, people not realizing that having and obtaining and really achieving their objective or their intention comes on a much different plane than how pendulums have us convinced that it comes to us. So are you feeling today like you have been, as Vadim says, chasing the setting sun? Are you running after something without seeing results, or results that are coming to you in an easy, effortless sort of way? This is where outer intention comes in. The reason that I have grasped reality transurfing to the extent that I have is because I did the opposite in my prior transurfing reality. I was the queen of inner intention. I was the queen of importance, inner and outer importance. So for me, having seen such results, even though they were not the best results, having seen such results in my past reality, it was very, very easy for me to understand how to switch over into this antipodal mode, right? This other mode of existing and living and going towards my intentions, which is harvesting and utilizing outer intention instead. So you got pendulums, hook us in with inner and outer importance. You've got stepping back off yourself, stopping the battle, stepping back off the world, and lowering your importance levels, inner and outer, and harvesting and utilizing outer intention. So what it is you intend to have flows up to you halfway, and it's really, really easy for you to meet your world and have a co-creation going on rather than you doing it all yourself, which is the battle. So please remember to like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love reality transurfing, and also look in the comment, the description below for the winners of the transurfing stickers for last week. I will post them there. Thanks so much for watching my video, everyone. Bye.